Dan Moskal here, and in this video we are going to create a new user profile on our WordPress site. We're doing some work for a local mental health counselor, and if you are hiring out for your website or hiring for SEO services, it's important that somebody do this for you. This is the facts, and this is just respectfully, because when I first got started, I didn't know this stuff. And for professionals that have like a mental health therapy practice or a law firm or a restaurant, they have a business to run, and they may be willing to write content, but they typically, looking at a screen like this, they're going to get overwhelmed. So we want to make it just really easy for Jolie to keep moving forward and building her website and keep continuing to post information. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to add her as a user profile. She's the administrator too, but we're going to add her as a user profile, and we're also, I'm sure you've seen those author boxes where image is attached. We're going to do that here in the next video, but just so you know, that's using Gravatar. That's different than the Google authorship. Google authorship will make that's Google authorship. This is one of my pen names. So anyways, let's keep moving forward, and let's go ahead and add her as a user. So log into your account, obviously, and then go down to users, and you want to go to add new. Username, we're going to go ahead and say Jolie Moskal, because we're going to add that currently on her articles. It just says by admin. By admin, we want to have it say by Jolie Moskal. So, and put your email. This is the email you want to associate with this user. So for example, if you're hiring somebody for SEO purposes to write articles for you, you can add them as a user and restrict their access so they can't destroy your website even accidentally, and just allow them to just post new content. And we're going to go through the steps. So this is the email of the person that you want to give permission to. And you can obviously send the password. We're not going to, just because we're going to, hopefully the email will come through instantly and we can keep it going through. So this is where you actually choose. This is the important part, and where you restrict or give them access. Like if you are hiring somebody to do work on your website, you might want to, I would suggest adding them as an administrator, but we want to just let her add new content and add her as an author. So she's only going to be able, I'll show you the screen here, but she's not going to be able to access all this other stuff. Why don't we go ahead and add her Gravatar, her image, to associate with her picture. Okay, so you actually have to create an account with Gravatar, and we created an account under our profile of Jolie Moss, that email, and once you will get an email here from WordPress, and this is actually, I believe this is actually just from Gravatar specifically, but obviously activate your account and then you're going to sign in, and then this is where we're going to change the picture here. Sorry about the delay. We actually had to go in. If you're using a new and creating a new user, the reason we didn't see an email from WordPress, that email we did see was from Gravatar's, was because we didn't check the box send an email. Check that box and the user will get an email from WordPress, and then you'll also get another email from Gravatar. You're going to have to create a Gravatar account, as we said, and then to add an image, you just click, add a new image. It's a little box over here, and you can get one it's just like adding an image to Facebook, and you can grab one even off the internet. We used the image that was on her website, but this is what's going to show up for your Gravatar. And you can put this, we have it in the sidebar, and we're going to put it down at this bottom of her website. And as you can see, we've done a whole bunch of other things here for Jolie and her website, and it's really starting to come along. So if you not if, but please go visit danmoskeluniversity.com. I created a free 25-page PDF about SEO training. I created it for a business partner, and I'd love to give it to you and help you. I almost forgot. So this is how Jolie is now going to access her website. She's going to use the username Jolie Moskel. She's going to use her password, and then she's going to log in. And now we're going to look at the top left, and we're going to see what she now really has access to. She has access to posts, media, comments, profile, tools. So it will make it a lot easier for her to just go in and add a post, because that's all she needs to do. If you have any concerns or you have any issues or any problems, I really am here to help. Please leave a comment below. Please like this video. Please share it with your friends and family. And again, that's danmoskeluniversity.com. Sign up for my SEO training manual is 7 golden steps to shower in search engine traffic. I'd like to do a live event here in the very near future, and would love to help you with any of your challenges. So have a great afternoon. I've also got some books over at Amazon you can grab, and look forward to talking to you soon.